If email marketing already feels overwhelming, choosing the wrong platform will quietly cost you time, money, and focus. Here is what most Nigerian SMEs get wrong. Email marketing software like MailChimp or similar tools is built for ease. You sign up, create emails, automate campaigns, and track results without technical stress. Is fast, reliable, and ideal if you want to start quickly and stay consistent without overthinking. But there is a limit. You are working within their rules. Pricing increases as your list grows, customization is restricted, and your data sits on their platform. Now compare that to a self-hosted marketing platform. It requires more effort upfront. You handle setup, hosting, and maintenance. But in return, you get full control over your data, deeper customization, and potentially lower long-term costs as your business scales. So which is better? If you want simplicity and speed, go with email marketing software. If you want control and flexibility, choose self-hosted. The right choice is the one that helps you grow without draining your energy.